Yeah, Martha's Table, right? How many people been to this side of Southeast? Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So many of y'all don't venture out here into the community, right? So I didn't want y'all to sneak in to Southeast, come into Martha's Table, and then sneak back out. You never get a chance to actually see what this community actually looks like. This is not the Southeast that we see on television. Let that stereotype be the vision that you have of our community. You know our community has some challenges, some areas that need a little bit of extra special attention, right? And that's what we're here to do today, is to give that extra special attention to some of our communities. But don't let that be the idea that we have of what our community needs to look like. For about 7 years now. So that's at least 84 months, right? Rain, sleet, hail, or snow. Actually, I take that back. If it's raining, we don't do it, but we will do it in the snow. Right? It's kind of hard to make sandwiches. We used to start outside, and we would just be outside before we moved inside. So you really can't make sandwiches in the rain, but you can do it in the snow.